Today, I'm cooking with Jude. My name's Leah. I'm Jude. And today, we're cooking blueberry pancakes! 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 Pancakes!
You'll need flour, baking powder, salt, and vanilla.
And milk, butter, and sugar, eggs.
In a medium bowl, add all your dry ingredients. Give it a stir.
Mix my eggs and milk together. Now we give it a little stir. Now we're going to dump the eggs and milk into the hole, into the well. Now your butter. Now your vanilla.
Stir, 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 stir.
My turn. Stir, 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 stir. Now we put in the blueberries.
Oh no, I forgot the blueberries again.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We could go pick some blueberries.
Yeah, we're supposed to be saving them, but they're good. That's better. Now to fold in the blueberries. As we're dealing with a hot stove, it's better to ask an adult to help you with this stage.